Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Prophet Ada for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to develop a portfolio stock scanner in Excel using Python and Grok AI chatbot. Okay, so before moving into coding and other stuff, let's see what is the need. Okay, so the selection of a trading stock for a trader will depend upon the need that the trader has from the investment. The trader may need a long-term appreciation in the value of his investment, or the trader may need periodic income from the investment, or the investor may be looking for an avenue to park funds and need an investment with high liquidity. Therefore, understanding portfolio scanner should eventually help one to build a robust investment portfolio that helps to achieve the trader's investment objectives. It is in this context that this video would look at various approaches for building a portfolio of stocks. At the outset, a portfolio of stocks is a meant to an end a vehicle to achieve some objective. The objective could be a financial goal, like reaching a certain level of wealth in a specified period of time. The sight of the goal must never be missed. Therefore, the first step is to set one's financial goals. The second step is to understand the trader's situation and assess the risk appetite. So, before moving to our favorite IDE, we will check some of some of the prerequisites. That is, I've been already done some of the coding part. So you need definitely the symbols, okay, and then secondary price, okay. So now to create an Excel consists of symbol and price, okay. It needs to be some of the things should be filtered, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I will definitely gonna filter based on price, okay. So the priority will be there, okay. And the same thing what I will do, I will come to my Grok AI chatbot, so you can log into your x.com, and when you get in this Grok, you can ask queries and you will get the answers. Now in this category, why I am coming to in this part, because I want to get the fundamental news and the fundamental analysis. Okay, so that's the reason I'm choosing Grok Chatbot AI. I can do, I just try to put some of the codes which exactly give me some of the lists. Okay, so we'll check that list what it's giving, and let's see. So as you can see, we got some of the list, okay, and it is giving pretty much whatever we are expecting, okay. And there is a definitely this is the future stocks which I got, and it got some of the 217 list. So if you try to search in NSE India website, you will get all of the list, okay. And now I need to filter this based on price, okay. So let's do this stuff. We try to go step by step. What we can say is what under values buy equals last underscore price, okay. So we'll try to sort this stuff by last price, okay. And you have to give the things, so it is coming from the columns. So if you try to get these things from the previous video, you will understand. So I must recommend that go with the website and try to watch this video and try with this code, it will be helpful, okay. So right now we got some details. As you can see, we exactly got all of the list which is from lower to higher, okay. So I think pretty much the idea as of right now, the idea stocks, okay, I think it is sorted, but somewhere I think I've been sorted with the last price, sort values by last price. So it is giving, So here we have to remove certain stuff. The sort values we don't want here. Okay, so some of the stuff you need to take care. Okay, so as you can see, MRF is the the price which it holds. It's consist in lakhs. Okay, so that's the reason it is MRF. It is below, and if we as we try to guess, so the idea is an upper hand. Okay, as bank IRB. So in this list, if you are going with this price, so idea is lower, as bank in the second, third, like that it will go. Okay, of other things which you need to check, it is Excel Wings is also there, so you can check in my channel. So you can visit ProfitAda web and you can check it out there. And now what we need to do, we got this stuff. Now we need to whatever we got, we need to put them in our the point where we're talking about as a symbol and last price. So what we can say, we try to go with the trading symbol itself, and here the trading symbol is we should get with our columns. So I prefer means that is here it is good. I should say whatever the symbol we got, we should say as a symbol. Okay, so what happens, it will get added in a data frame. Now we just call this symbol, and one more thing we are looking, just last price. So I think here it will be helpful. So if I call the trading symbol, so it will get me what we are looking for. Okay, so no, it is not helping out. Okay, so here we will give it as an instruments of trading symbol. So right now I think this will be okay, and then instruments of symbol and last price should be there. Okay, so as you can see, we got some of the list with even some of the NaN value which should not be there. So we'll try to filter it out and see what can be done. So some of the list, it comes with a 0, then we can see idea got 6 rupees, is bank 16. Okay, so some of the things are gone, some of the things are get accumulated, so we try to take it out. This trading symbol 1:2, it is we are avoiding at first column. I think it will get as an NSE test. Okay, so which is not correct, so we'll try to take it out. Now if we got the trading symbol as in 1, first of all we'll try to drop the NA values, so it is important here. Then what we can say that here when we have done some of the sortings, we need to set the index, and index should be our symbol. Okay, so this is how we try to get. So we set this index and symbol. So let's see what we get. So symbol will come as an to our index part. Okay, so what happens here, idea as bank, all of the things, some of likely getting accumulated spaces, so that is also get avoided. With the last price we are getting all the stuff. Okay, so even as you can see, it is gone dropped and all of the things. So even the data frame which we get in print statement won't be like perfect way to observe, to get to make it as in for analysis purpose and for calculation purpose. We will take this out. So simple, we have to say, we just have to say that put this in Excel. Okay, and we will give it and this XLX. Okay, so it is an best Excel format. So what it will do, if we are putting this stuff, it will easy to say that this stuff should be in this way, and we can, with the help of Excel beans, we can manipulate, we can put a lot of the stuff. Okay, so I think this is the way you should try to put this stuff and see. Okay, so let's see the stuff what we got. Okay, so I think we got some stuff. Okay, so we got our symbol and price. Now we can easily check whichever it is there, and what are the price are there, and in between we can check this stuff. I mean, if we want to like check how many portfolio if I'm trying to put here, and do it is giving some values. Okay, so if I say that some of like B2 plus B3, okay, how much the value it consists, how much I should pay that I can get this both stocks. Okay, so it will be 23.77 rupees you have to pay. So that is some of the calculation I can. So in between you can put some of the indicators, some of the analysis, or some of the values which we are trying to filter, and we can set it here and we can check. We can put futures, options, and all of this stuff. Even futures we can put it here and can see. So in one screen you can observe all of the stuff, and with the help of this Excel beans and with the help of these pandas, and this is how you need to go, and this is how you need to go with this URL. Okay, so I must say that I won't explain because the video gets in lengthy, so it's better you just watch the previous video and you just try. I think instead of ChatGPT, the free version, okay, you can go with Grok chatbot AI. It will be the best, especially like some of the filtering stocks and getting some of the recommendations. So I think this will best. Okay, so I must say thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.